good thing that it's all locked, fucked up and whatnot. You gotta use one of these here taps or dies, whatever the fuck they call it. I don't know why the hell they call it dye, because it sure as hell doesn't change the colors. Anyways, when you just get that just started, I do about like one full turn, but you can just put it on the edge of it and just put your impact on it, kind of like this, and then you just see what happens. And if it starts jamming up on you, just back it off. Then you slam it home again. There you go. Now that should be somewhat good as new. If not, then you're fucked.